Hello everyone, welcome back. Please excuse my morning face, but I had to come on here because the room, you guys, is finally done. Man, I feel like, and I say done, is anybody ever done with a project? Because I know in my head, I'm like, oh, we've done X, Y, and Z. But I know in my head we still have curtains. I still have a piece of art I want to find for a certain spot in our room. So as much as I say we're done, we are done with the biggest project of our room. And I can't wait for you guys to see the actual overall video of the entire room. And I want to show the before and after picture because whoa, is it extreme to me. I hope that you guys love it as much as I do, but if you don't, tough. All right, so this is the for real before, and it's pretty plain. As you can see, it is very, I love white walls, but this bedroom definitely needed some spicing up and just a little bit more of a design touch to it. So guys, I don't know if you're ready for it, but get ready because here comes the reveal. Thanks so much for watching. Hit subscribe below for more home decor tips.